in this lecture we are going to create a project. I hope you have installed Unity correctly. Now open Unity Hub and click on new, and as we are going to create our 2D platformer, select the template 2D and name the project. So I would name it jump down platformer, and select the location where you want to save your project. I am going to save it in local disk D and click on create. Now Unity is creating and setting up the project. In next lecture we will see the basic interface of Unity and start building our game. See you in next lecture.